You are going to love the 2009 Civic, Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.